are expecting the government to extend the debt relief scheme by at least one more year till such time the mining restarts. And we have got only 15 accounts which can be closed. And we are requesting the government to help the cooperative banks to settle our account, because they are not able to give the waiver of loans which nationalized banks have given. So we are expecting that they should give us the waiver of loans. If they can't give the waiver of loans, then the government should intervene and pay for the waiver to the cooperative banks, so that the cooperative banks do not suffer and the barge owners do not suffer. Attached cargo which is being auctioned, which is of very low grade, anything between 46 grade to 52 grade iron ore, for which the prices are still less, and only 1.75 million tons has been sold. Out of it, a lot of the cargo is run-off mines, which has to be processed and sorted out. So that also will take time. So these are another challenge which will take place. Another big challenge for us is the barge tax. Many of the truck owners from 2012 onwards, their road tax has been waived totally by the government of Goa. As far as barge owners are concerned, we have almost equivalent tax like it is known as barge tax. So we had requested then when we started the barges with the late ex-chief minister Mr. Manohar Parrikar, that barge tax should be waived for the barge owners, because it is a time-based tax. It is not a trip-based tax. If it was a trip-based tax, actually the tax would have been limited to a trip-per-trip basis. But however, this is a flat tax. It's about 4 lakhs a year, 4 to 5 lakhs a year which comes. And even if you make one trip, which fetches us about say 1.5 lakh rupees. After diesel, what we get on the hand is about 90,000 rupees. So we will not be able to pay this barge tax in a quarter if this tax is payable. And plus the wage cost of the barges is very high, so hardly any funds will be remaining to pay these taxes. So it will be very tough for us to survive during this period. So we have requested the government of Goa, the Minister for Michael Lobo, who is Honorable Minister for Ports, and we have requested him to do away with the barge tax.
The possibility of central government assistance. And I will go to the Honorable Minister for Shipping, Mansukh ji, in this month. I will take the appointment. How we can get funds to repair the barges. आमचे गोंयकार जे barge owners are, they distress on us. They are waiting for some assistance. Goa government cannot give them that assistance as far as repairs. But we will impress upon the Union Minister for Shipping, Shri Mansukh ji, that under some Inland Waterways Authority of India, the minister is under some scheme of the central government to help these barge owners to repair their barges now when the season is starting. And we are all waiting eagerly that mining should immediately start, and positively by next month. अशें म्हणून आमी रावल्ले आहा. सो सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट, स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट आनी जे मेजर्स हाडपाक जाय, जे म्हाका दिसता खुबशे लागीं पावल्ले आहा. जर मायनींग रेज्यूम जायत जाल्यार तेणी बार्ज इमिडिएटली रिपेर करून इमिडिएट स्टार्टूय करूंक जाता. बिजनसीस इन गोवा एंड इकॉनॉमी ऑफ गोवा विल इम्प्रूव when mining starts and barges and other trucks and allied activities related to mining will start in Goa. Thank you. Under inland waterways, तेजे preliminary हे जे आहा ते work has just started. So it will take a little more time. And we are exploring the possibility of movement of people rather than putting pressure on the road. Movement of people from these jetties. जावं ते आल्दोना आसूं, आल्दोना दोन कडेक आदी वाफोर येताले पणजे. सो कोणाक पणजे येवचे लोकांक येवपाक जाय, स्पेशली जॉबाक, तेणी हे इनलँड वॉटरवेज यूज करून फ्रॉम दॅट जेटी दे कॅन कम स्ट्रेट टू द कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट जेट. दिसता खुबशे ट्रक्स बाय रोड येता आनी हायवेचें काम चालू आहा मोठ्या प्रमाणान आनी दे गेट डिलेड मेजर कंजेशन्स, पोल्युशन जाता आनी मोठ्या प्रमाणात व्हडले म्हाका दिसता 2-2 किलोमिटराचे लायनी लागतात जे कंटेनर्स आमच्या हितून ट्रक्सांनी येतात. सेम कंटेनर हितून हाडूंक जाता बार्जीन, कर्नाटकासून हाडूंक जाता, महाराष्ट्रासून हाडूंक जाता. अँड दॅट पॉसिबिलिटी इज ऑलवेज देर. द कोस्ट, आमचो कोस्ट गुजरात आहा, महाराष्ट्र आहा, कर्नाटक आहा, चेन्नई आहा. सो वी कॅन see how good we can talk to the center also, and how good this possibility can be. There can be an balance. आता मायनिंग बंद आहात, तेंचे बिझनस बंद जाले फॉर द लास्ट 4 to 5 years. जोर तर आमी हे चॅनल ओपन करीत तेंकां ऑफ ऑल द बार्जीस starting to bring cargo from other states into Goa, it will be very economical.